Evening, everybody. What we're looking at here is a Stihl 036 Pro. This is a saw that I just got done servicing. I refreshed the top end and replaced a few parts on it and did quite a bit of cleaning. Top end's got new rings, cylinder gasket, cylinder bolts, piston pin bearing and pin, circlips, pretty much everything, and the decompression valve, because after a leakage test found that the old one was a little leaky, so it's got a new one in there. I currently got a 20-inch bar with full skip, full chisel, chain on it, and I apologize in advance for all the animal noises that are probably going to occur during the duration of this video. It's kind of a circus around here. So I'll kind of do a little bit of a close-up here. This isn't a top quality camera, but hopefully you can see well enough. See, the paint on this is in really good shape. And some of you will probably notice those are not exactly original spikes. Those are off of a MS362 with the nice chain catcher here. I like those. A little bit of a shot of the cylinder. The cylinder was almost in like new shape. Piston was also just impeccable. The plastics on this as well are in great shape. There's hardly any scuffing, no scratches, except for this almost like a little bit of a couple smudges here, or scuffs on the filter cover. Otherwise, the saw is in great shape, and we're going to do a couple of test cuts on this chunk of ponderosa pine here. I'll get the camera set down. We'll do a quick check the chain brake first, and then make a few cuts. Runs and cuts pretty well. Thanks for watching.